So I'm here in the hack space and I've just been testing it out with all the new hinges attached, and as you can see I've changed the actuator positions. That's maximum extension and it's not quite touching there, but still we have a problem with the hinges. So as you can see here, this is one of the higher rated bearing hinges, and if I just lift up the leg you can see there's quite a lot of movement there, and obviously when I'm sitting on it all of the pressure is down there, putting it just on that section of the bearing, which is obviously not that good. So I had to sit on it. It was currently in the tripod pose with this leg up, that leg, and that leg right at the back up. And as we can see here, it decided to fully shear this bolt. So this bolt is completely torn through the thread. And this hinge is also probably a bit screwed as well. I mean, it's bending because it's not fully attached, but yeah, that's not good. So what I'm currently thinking instead is to do every leg with an extra piece of aluminium. So imagine this is aluminium, I know it's MDF instead. On the top like this, and another piece on the bottom. I don't think you can, on the bottom like this. And then we'll have a thrust bearing on the top and bottom, have a nice M10 bolt going through, and that will completely replace the hinges and hopefully be what is required to support these bad boys under my weight. But until I've done that, I just have to wait and see. But I've got my PCBs now, so I'll at least be able to test them with the actuators and make more of the closed loop actuators, because one of these has still got the test pot on there. So one last point to add is that it seems to be a lot better with my weight distribution completely at the back. So if I sit here instead of on the middle bar, which was previously there, it seems to have much better load handling capability. So what I'm going to do, as well as the previous example of the leg hinge mechanisms, I'm going to move this front bar probably around here, so then we can have the leg hinge mechanism coming off here. Obviously feet will go on here, and I'm actually probably just going to completely exclude having a middle part now, so it's going to end up looking like this. But also I'm going to have to move forwards this back bar to somewhere around here to allow for these legs and these legs to both rotate properly. So I've not currently fully unscrewed that one yet, but once I do, it should be able to help with the weight distribution. I'm pleasantly surprised, to be honest with you, because I didn't think that the human weight distribution was so heavy on the legs. So that's probably why the front is failing so badly, because that's the original reason for these offset legs not being in the middle, because I thought the majority, well, I'm pretty sure the majority of the mass is going to be where I'm sitting, but I didn't realise there was so much on my legs. And it seems to be able to support my weight from the back without toppling over